Welcome to another video of Mystery Decoding King. In this first image, it is the prediction regarding digital dollar. There are three components of this picture: barcode on the forehead of goat, bell in the neck of a goat, and picture of a man going with dog, and leash of dog is in the hands of man. Collectively, it means financial slavery. With the introduction of digital currency, one will be the slave of the state. If someone will object to any decision of the state, the only thing that state has to do is to deactivate that person's application, and that person will literally starve to death, because even to beg money, one will need application to transfer money. I have decoded the trailer of movie Grey State as well, so it is the exact explanation of this picture. I will highly recommend you to watch this trailer as well. Bell in this picture represents complete monitoring of each and every transaction. In this system, even if you buy a candy for your kid, state will know that. To prove that whatever I am saying right now is not a conspiracy theory, instead it is a reality, please keep that picture of a man going with dog in your mind. Now I will show you the cover of Economist magazine, April 2020. Now, are you seeing what I am seeing? It is an 8 years old video. In this video, I will also show you that coronavirus attack, specifically in regards to China, was mentioned in this video 8 years ago. Before moving further, please subscribe to my channel by pressing the red play button at the bottom right side of your screen. It is also representing FEMA camps as well. The part of a goat that has barcode is only allowed to stay outside. Rest of the goat, which represents the people who will resist the barcode system, will not be allowed to come out. In the next scene, two hands are showing up. These hands appears to be devil's hands, and in one hand, gold dollars. There is a gold dollar ring, which shows that they control through money, and the second hand has blood stains on it, which clearly shows they not only use money and bribery, they also use threat to control, and these hands are controlling the strings of the presidents of United States, showing that they control the president of United States through money and through threat. Here George W. Bush is shown in great stress and pain. It looks like that he is in total control of the dark forces, and there is a D written on the cap which he is wearing right now, which again shows dark forces or devil. While the hands are pulling strings of George W. Bush, George W. Bush is dancing and performing magic spells. If you notice the base, then you can see a Star of David, which is the symbol of Israel. George W. Bush himself is making the shape of Star of David. If you notice the cap, you can see alphabet D on it. You can see the map of United States of America. Some areas are highlighted on the map by using thumb pins. These areas are Massachusetts, Los Angeles, Oklahoma, and Gulf of Mexico. Maybe in the future some incident regarding these 3-4 areas may occur. From the posture of George W. Bush, one can see that he has some kind of plan in his mind regarding these states. Then same George W. Bush changes into Obama. Obama winks to demonstrate the sign of secret society. It shows that no matter how many faces change, the actual policies and handler will always remain the same. At first, you can see hangman game, and the word in this game is evolution. The missing three alphabets in this scene are replaced by LOL sign, and Obama is laughing. They are trying to tell how they are fooling people with this evolution theory, or there may be a chance that they may replace evolution theory with some other theories in the future. Now, just beneath the blackboard, you can see human lungs. It is made by a human brain, which is splitted by a lightning bolt. It is drawn in such a way that brain is giving the impression of lungs, and the lightning bolt is giving the impression of trachea, human trachea. The color combination is also the same. You can check the diagrams of human lungs online as well. Mostly are in the same color schemes. You can check it. Moreover, there is a dragon at the right side of this picture, and it is crystal clear that dragon represents China. So there is no doubt left that it is representing coronavirus spreading in China. Now imagine this is an 8-year-old video. It is an 8 years old video. So according to me, it is all pre-planned to destroy the economy of United States of America. Why they want to destroy the economy of United States of America, I will explain later in this video that who will replace the USA as superpower. This scene shows that there will be hopelessness everywhere. People will be following the dark forces blindly. But in this dark situation, a woman will give birth to a righteous child. You can see that girl is sitting in a circle, and you can see the bunny in the background, which symbolizes magic. Apple spiritually means sun. In a dream, if you see apple, most probably one of its meaning is sun. So a righteous woman will give birth to a righteous son. That woman will be protected by God from evil forces. Now, this is the very interesting part. It is simple and crystal clear. Plus, I have never seen anyone decoding it right. The only thing you have to concentrate in this is that what is the speciality of lotus flower? Let me tell you. It is the only flower that can grow into swamp and damp, muddy places. It has very deep roots and it floats at the surface of the water. So in that dark times, God will send a righteous person to help humankind. Here you can clearly see fear in the eyes of Obama. So in this image you can clearly see Psalm 23 written on a wall. Psalm 23 is a part of Bible, and it is a fact that God will never leave human beings alone, even in the darkest of times. So definitely he will send someone to help humankind in that dark period of humankind. Now in this scene you can see that there is a part of a flag which is separated from the flag of United States of America. So, and the part which is separated from it, it has only one star on it. So if you, it can be, we can assume that maybe only one state will declare independence from United States of America. And if we see the current economical situation, it is highly possible, and definitely it is planned. As I told you before, that coronavirus is planned, and it was planned to destroy the economy of USA. Why they want to destroy the economy of USA? Because they want to replace it. They want to replace it by someone else. And in the next image I'm going to explain you who is replacing United States of America. Here we can see a city burning. That city is situated near a sea, and that city has 2 towers. Again, it clearly represents New York. World Trade Centers are definitely destroyed 20 years ago, but again as a symbol to tell us that this is a New York. World Trade Center. Again, they are creating a scene of burning of World Trade Centers. And New York is the World Trade capital, basically. So destruction of New York shows basically destruction of United States of America's economy. It not literally means that New York will be wiped out from the face of this earth. It means that New York will not be the trade capital of this world anymore. Now you can see that Osama bin Laden is basically inviting someone, and we all know that due to Osama bin Laden, USA attacked Afghanistan, and if you see the soldiers behind him, they have their eyes are covered. Their eyes are covered totally, so they are basically blinded, and you can also see the red moon over there. And we all know that Osama bin Laden basically worked at the time of Soviet war. He worked for CIA, so it is representing that thing. Here you can see oil refinery at the background, and the oil is dripping like a blood, so it represents the bloodshed due to oil in this world, all the wars due to oil in this world. Here is the reason that I was talking about before, that you can clearly see that Statue of Liberty is replaced by Star of David. So Statue of Liberty is basically a sign of USA, and specifically it is a sign of American pride. Basically it is a pride of America, and it shows that Statue of Liberty, or the place of USA, is replaced by Star of David, and Star of David represents Israel. So my guess is, and which I am pretty much sure, that next superpower will be Israel. Israel will be replacing USA in the future, in the near future. Here you can see in the sky the Star of David, and the Statue of Liberty, its hand is breaking, and the light of the torch is turning off. In the next scene I'll show you that, and it again represents the fall of USA as a global superpower and replacement of USA by Israel. As you can see, I don't know whether you can see that in the sky, it's blue in color and it's Star of David. Yeah, now here you can see that the light from the torch is gone now, and the hand is breaking. The Star of David appeared in the sky, and now the Statue of Liberty does not have torch anymore in his hand. It again represents the same thing, that USA will not be the global economic power anymore, and New York will not be the global capital anymore. It will be replaced by Jerusalem. Now the next capital of the world, or the superpower of the world, will be Israel or Jerusalem. Here you can see that one eye of devil is focusing on human genetics, and they are working on human genetics. If you can see my another video which I made on how vaccines will affect our genes, so you can clearly know what this image is saying about. And that devil is focusing on male sperms, because gender selection is also due to male sperm. Male sperm decides whether it will be a male or female. You can see a face of Lucifer on a boat, representing a boat of devil. Here you can see Antichrist coming in the boat of devil. He is portraying himself as a Christ, but in actual he is an Antichrist. You can see the symbol of eye and pyramid on his forehead. This image shows that they are using media to prepare the coming of Antichrist. A one-eyed devil is feeding the mind of a kid using television set. After that scene in which you saw one-eyed devil was feeding the mind of a kid, now they are telling us what they are feeding in the minds of people. They are creating economic chaos in the world. Now we are passing through this era. All the things goes back to same question, that if coronavirus is natural or just designed artificially to create economic chaos in this world. Here you can see 3 planes which are most probably F-117 from Lockheed Martin. They are flying, they are coming in and bombing Al-Aqsa Mosque. You can see that there is a structure beneath that mosque as well. That structure is third temple of Jews. According to this scene, they'll destroy Holy Mosque of Muslims, which is Al-Aqsa Mosque, to build the third temple. Here you can see a Muslim woman crying with agony and pain, and she has also a dead kid in her lap. It represents the war which is about to begin, in which all Arab countries will be almost wiped out from the face of this earth. Now you can see an African girl. I am calling her girl because she has a clip in her hairs and her breast clearly shows that she is a female African. Pink ribbon represents breast cancer. On the other hand, man has something like some kind of scanner scanning his chest. This is a sign. There is a sign of danger as well on his right arm, and gun represents fight. So maybe in near future African women will have to fight with some breast complications according to that image. Here you can see a flower flowing in a dirty water, because dirty water represents sickness and the flower is representing righteous person here basically. So, and after that there is a person who is again fearing from same flower. According to my interpretation, the flower represents a righteous person or the help of a god in any way. The same person from which Obama was fearing will destroy Russia. Scythe and hammer represent Soviet Union before it was distributed into independent states. So Russia and USA will fight with same enemy at different point of time. That same enemy will destroy Russia. There will be a power coming soon in this world from which everyone will fear. That is what I am extracting from this image, because from the same flower Obama was fearing, and from the same flower Russia, because Scythe and hammer was the symbol of Soviet Union. So let's hope for the best. Here you can see a Chinese looking girl is waving white flag, and we all know that China has no war policy. If you can closely analyze, then you can see the I sign at the start of the barrel of the tanks. China will come in the way of wars, but it will be forced to change its policy of no war. You can also see the biohazard sign on her face. So this is very interesting. You can see the tiger at the back of the girl. According to my analysis, it is representing the year tiger of the China. So basically right now it is 2020 and it is Chinese year of rat. 2021 will be the year of ox and 2022 will be the year of tiger. So whatever they are trying to say in this image, this will exactly show up according to my interpretation after exactly 2 years. in the start of 2022, because in the next scene you will see the celebrations as well. So something will happen at the new year of 2022 that will force China to review its no war policy. And we all know Simpsons cartoon series already predicted World War China before 2031. So, and the fireworks behind this man, you can see they also resembles with Corona. So maybe that situation continues till that time, and that will definitely affect the especially economy of China. China will no longer be the previous China or an old China. It will be the new China. Here again he is representing himself as a Jesus, but he will not be a Jesus. He will be a Antichrist, because you can clearly see that he has one eye symbol on his head and a pyramid. And if we study the Christian scriptures and Islamic scriptures, both scriptures have given the same description, that he will portray himself as a Jesus, but he will not be a Jesus. He will be basically an Antichrist. After that, Jesus will come. Here you all are seeing lightning bolt effect. It represents CERN, CERN. I am making separate video on that, so please subscribe to my channel. Here I'll also explain briefly here as well. So what that lightning bolt effect means? It represents CERN laboratories, in which they are working on large hydro collision project to open the path from another dimension. Antichrist is not in our dimension right now. They will bring him from another dimension. Here is the picture of Shiva. Hindus consider him as a god. They call him God, and it represents all the experiments they are performing at CERN to bring Antichrist from another dimension to this dimension. And I'll show you the picture. Yeah, here you can see the picture of a statue of Shiva at CERN. According to them, it is gifted by India, because India is affiliated with CERN since 1960. But according to me, it makes no sense. In a facility where you will experiment pure science, what is the point of entering religion here? Suppose if someone will give you Bible or Quran, will you put it here? Definitely not. So it's something else, but apparently they say that it is a gift from India, and that's why they installed that statue here. You can see some black and white fishes jumping in the boat of Antichrist. Black generally represents evil and white generally represents good. Basically the people with no religion at all, or in other words, atheists will join Antichrist. Now a hand from the sky is putting light on male organ. There is a sign of cross on that organ, also giving it a look of like church tower. You can see the heart of Antichrist blinking, shows that Antichrist will come into this world through CERN, but after that he will take birth like any other normal human being. Here we can see an old lady who is imprisoned. Here that lady is avoiding sperms or avoiding pregnancy. That lady will not want pregnancy. You can see 3 axes on both shoes. So maybe Antichrist will take birth from any porn actress maybe, and she will not be wanting any kind of pregnancy, but she will be forced to, either maybe by rape or maybe just against her will. Here you can see the blood of periods. And here you can see periods are disappearing, means she is getting pregnant forcefully. This picture shows the economic destruction of the world just before the coming of Antichrist. As soon in this picture you can see, as soon as Antichrist opened his eyes, the church behind him is falling down. It shows that many Christians will go astray thinking him as a Christ, although he is an Antichrist. So Christianity is a vast religion. I don't think that he will be able to eliminate that religion completely, but definitely Antichrist will damage Christianity severely for the time being. Here you can see the shooting star on the sky. Whenever any big incident, for example like flood during the time of Noah, happened on this earth, that star appeared. So definitely coming of Antichrist is a big event, and you can see that star as well. Here you can see the destruction of pyramids. It is a symbol of Egypt. Basically it shows the destruction of country Egypt. There are many other predictions from many angles, from many saints who predicted that Egypt will be destroyed. So I think Egypt will destroy after Antichrist will come. So guys, please subscribe my channel. It takes so much hard work to make these videos. Please hit the like button, press the bell icon, and do not forget to comment. If you want to participate in Facebook debates, then please like the Facebook page. Link is given in the description. I'll meet you in my next video. Till then, take care.